Hi, I'm Tricia from Club Scrap with another preview of a gorgeous card kit to share with you today. This collection is called Wishes. Let's take a look. The biggest part of all of our kits is the paper collection. The Wishes kit contains 2 sheets of this beautiful patterned text weight print, and then we have 2 sheets of a cover weight in this light gray, this beautiful buttery yellow, a nice warm ivory, and then 2 sheets of the dark gray. Now, if you're a card maker, you think I've got to haul out all of my stamps and my ink pads to make cards, but not in this case. At Club Scrap, we provide you with 2 sheets of printed cut-aparts. Simply separate each of these images and you'll have everything you need for the outside and inside sentiments of a dozen cards. When you get the kit, you're also going to find 3 luscious ribbons that coordinate. We have this soft buttery yellow in a silk, and then 2 full yards of an ivory grosgrain, really nice and thin, and then a yard of a double-faced dark gray satin. To zhuzh things up a little bit, we have this really cool copperish holographic paper in the box, a set of 4 of these cute little mini seed envelopes, and a set of 4 of these gorgeous dandelion charms. And we know you're going to want to send the cards that you make because they're going to be so beautiful. So all of our kits include the envelopes required to mail the cards for each of 3 different sizes. The most magical part of every Club Scrap kit, honestly, is our instruction document. You can download and print this at any time. And then when your kit arrives, the instructions will help guide you through the process of first sorting the papers, trimming them all, scoring the ones that need to be scored, and then magically turning them into cards. And you can see in this 5-page document, everything's laid out very clearly and precisely, plus I'm including images of the cards both inside and out. The first set of 4 cards we'll make together feature this cute little handmade pocket that we're going to make out of the paper, and then you can slide that seed packet that comes in the box right into the pocket. We'll add some ribbon, and then we can decorate the inside of the card as well with the sentiment included on the cut-aparts. As we complete the next set of 4 cards, you'll be mastering the wiper card technique, and we have some really fun sentiment pairings like roses are red, violets are blue, but they don't get around like dandelions do. These are going to be so fun for your recipients. And we'll round out our workshop with a simple 5x7 folded card with a beautiful greeting on the outside and on the inside as always. So my wish is that you'll join me for this Wishes card making workshop and learn all these fun techniques. Follow the link below to grab your workshop kit, and I'll see you in the class.